Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great day so far. So here we are again with a new pick it up or put it off, talking about new makeup releases, whether I want it or not, whether I'm planning on buying it or not. So I'm just opening up my Instagram and looking at these new releases that everybody is talking about. So first up is the Tarte Cosmetics Busy Gal glosses and Busy Gal blushes. So the glosses are pretty standard glosses. They're supposed to be very nourishing and hydrating. And then the Busy Gal blushes are like sticks. They're a cheek tint slash lips. What? Multi-purpose cheek and lip tint in a stick. I'm not really interested in either of these. I'm not a huge gloss fan. Recently Hourglass released their Unreal glosses and I've been obsessed with the one of those that I've got. But generally I'm a lipstick girl. Glosses are very messy and sticky for me. I know that there are really good formulas now that are less sticky, but they're still, you know, like your hair is... that's not for me. It also goes all over children and they won't let me kiss them when I have glosses on, or lipsticks a lot of the time, but you know, I can get away with that. But yeah, and again, stick blushes is not, I've never really have that great of an experience with stick blushes. They're always a little trickier to use than powders, so that is like an easy pass for me. The Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips collection. I haven't even seen the shades of these yet, but just from the packaging alone and how obsessed I am with Charlotte Tilbury lip products, and I know they're going to be amazing. So apparently she's designed 5 cases that will be refillable, so presumably you can put other lipsticks into these cases, and they are. She's apparently coming out with 11 new shades inspired by rule breakers, record makers and history shakers. Sorry. Benefiting Women for Women UK, which is helping women survivors of war rebuild their lives. I mean, literally tell me what is not to like about this. Tell me one thing. I mean, even the price, they're probably going to be quite expensive, but when you're supporting a charity like that, don't even care. Definitely going to be picking up a couple of those. So, next up, the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Ling Lasting, that says on Trend Mood. Supposedly, I mean, it's catching, can't speak. The Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Long Lasting Under Eye Concealer. Whew. I'm not going to be picking this up. I'll tell you for why. Now, the shade range doesn't look horrendous. There's, what is there, 4, 8, looks like there's 12 shades, bearing in mind, I don't know, that's just what's in the picture. There may be more, seems to be 12 shades. The Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, or Age Defy, whatever it's called, which was their original real big hit for a drugstore concealer, very popular, lots of people's holy grail, especially in the affordable bracket. They had like 3 shades of that when they first started. So that although the shade range, you know, is not ideal and there's some real serious orange undertones going on in there, 12 is considerable improvement from where they started with 3. So I appreciate the improvement, but they all look so strongly yellow and orange in like the bracket where I would be, and I just don't see how I'm going to make any of those shades work for me. So that's probably going to be a pass for me, just based on those very, very orange tones. The Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, you know what I'm going to say, you know what I'm going to say. The Natasha Denona Sunrise palette is the maximum amount of colour that I'm ever going to have on my eyes. It is the most colourful out there palette that is ever going to enter my collection. That, it's got blues and purples and oranges and everything just, whoa, it is, it's not for me. It is too exciting. I can't handle it. I don't know what to do with it. I'm afraid of it. That is a hard pass. I'm also going to be passing on the Alyssa Edwards by Anastasia Beverly Hills palette for the very same reasons. I just would never reach for it. I'd love to buy it and, you know, just experiment and play with colour, but I'm not about that life. I'm not about throwing 40 odd pounds on something that I may never use after the initial unboxing and review. Do you know what I mean? It's just, being honest, I'm not good enough at eyeshadow to use that palette effectively, and it will just sit in my drawer and be wasted forever. So that is going to be a pass. Next up, I just saw this morning on FYI Beauty, my beautiful friend Jess's Instagram page. And this is the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. You've already heard at least 2 words in there that I'm here for. So this apparently doesn't launch until October, which is my only sad thing, because it sounds like a really great summer foundation. Apparently there are 45 shades, hello drugstore ranges, £10, can't go wrong, and it is a medium coverage with a luminous finish and 12-hour long wear. It sounds right up my street, so I'm definitely going to be giving that one a go. I wish it just came, I wish it wasn't in October, I wish it was now. I would like to try it now, please. I love the fact that there's a 12-hour wear claim rather than like 36 hours that some foundations claim, when never is going to be that long. 12 hours, I feel like, fair play to you, that might actually be true. My stomach is rumbling so loud you can probably hear it, so that's fun. Pat Mcgrath is about to drop something. She's been hinting that it is complexion. If it's skincare, I'm out. If it's some kind of foundation, primer, concealer, anything that goes on your face that is makeup and not skincare, I 100% am getting it. I don't even care what it is. Don't care. I'm obsessed with her. She can do no wrong in my eyes. She's amazing. Everything she launches is amazing. It's now available in the UK at Selfridges. I'm here for it. If it's skincare, probably not. It's probably going to be, you know what I'm like, I'm a cheapskate when it comes to skincare. But if it is makeup, put me on the wait list. I'm in. What is it called? What is it called, guys? Come on. Where people are waiting. Well, they're not waiting because I'll obviously edit this out. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Oh, this sounds good. I know this isn't new to a lot of you. That's free. But it is new to me in the United Kingdom. It has only just arrived on Cult Beauty. I'm here for it. I've got 1.5 MAC Fix Pluses to get through, so I will use them up first because, you know, frugal. But once those are gone, that is going straight on my face. I mean, even just the description, Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I've seen Mel using this and loving this. It sounds like a treat. I would like that on my face, please. I would like to try that. That is a yes from me. What else have we got on here? Benefit foundations. So they're coming out with a liquid foundation called Hello Happy Flawless Brightening, which is confusing because it's very similar to the previous Hello Happy. And then the Hello Happy Velvet Powder Foundation. So a powder and a liquid foundation coming in June. I mean, it's June now and I haven't seen them yet, but they're coming soon. I don't know about this one. I won't try the powder because I'm just not a powder foundation girl. The liquid, I've never had a good time with a Benefit complexion product. Not a big fan of their primer, not a big fan of the Hello Happy, the first foundation they launched with that name. I think I've tried their concealer like many moons ago and the powder many moons ago. The only product I've ever really liked from them would be their light cheek products as far as the complexion. So I'm not sure I have that high hopes about it. Apparently it's got 12 shades, which seems very small, very small. It says it's medium to full. It sounds like it's kind of natural. It says it's got a satin finish. It sounds like it's hydrating. I'm on the fence, to be honest. I don't have high hopes, but sometimes when you don't have high hopes, you get pleasantly surprised, and I'm here to be pleasantly surprised. These bronzers from Armani are interesting. They definitely interested me and intrigued me because the luminous word was mentioned. They seem to be exclusively on, I think, Harvey Nichols at the moment. £45, and I can't see or get near a swatch for love or money. If I see a swatch and it's a good one, then I will, that is a definite yes, because Armani I love their foundations. I feel like they do a lot of things very, very well. Their concealer was kind of just okay, not my favourite. Lots of people loved it. Their foundation, loved it for many, many years. They've got a lot going for their complexion products. So yeah, the bronzer, it looks glorious. The packaging, heaven. It looks and sounds like it'd be right up my street, but it's too much money for me to spend without swatching it first, or at least seeing somebody else swatch it first on my behalf. What else have we got on here? What have we got? What have we got? My stomach is so loud right now. I need a donut. The last thing that I am intrigued by are these Pat McGrath Blitztrance lipsticks. I mean, you heard me say how I feel about Pat earlier on. I've never tried her Blitztrance formula because the first release she did of these, they all just look very metallic, very sparkly, and sparkly metallic lips is something I left behind in my 20s. I chose not to carry it through into my 30s, let's just say that. But the packaging of this lipstick, I don't know if it matters whether I'm going to put it on my lips or not, to be honest, because it is just everything. Even if I just put it there, even if it just sits there and it never goes on my lips, I don't think it would be money wasted, to be honest. But with this new release, she brought out 11. She brought out 11 new shades. My phone is trying to play me for a fool today. 11 new shades of the Blitztrance formula. The sparkly bullet, it is just insane. I'm looking at the shade Full Fantasy and the shade Emanuelle are the two that I'm eyeing. The swatches of Pat McGrath's products I always find to be unreliable. Like when I've bought her lipsticks in the past, the swatch that I've seen online is nothing like how it looks on my lips. I've never been disappointed, but I do feel like the swatches on her website and on Sephora's website are just really inaccurate. So I'm kind of hoping that someone is going to do like a review video of them soon so I can choose, because I'm not up for like spending £35 on a lipstick only for it to be completely different to what I was expecting. But these do look like they're more sort of glowy and glossy than metallic like the first launch. So actually I might be alright with these, and the bullet is just giving me absolute life. So this could be a definite possibility. Those are the two shades. I want to see them swatched, I want to see them on someone's lips, and then they can go on my lips. So there you have it. That is all of the new makeup releases that I'm eyeing, that I'm considering, or that I am not going near. Let me know, please, what your thoughts are in the comments down below, what you're picking up, what you are avoiding like nobody's business. I would love to know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'd love to see you in a future one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.